Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick video on how I used a cake board to make a resin wall clock. Things you'll need: cardboard, epoxy resin, hardener, some measuring cups, a weighing scale, isopropyl alcohol or a butane gas torch to remove bubbles, the clock mechanism and the hands, the clock numbers, some pigments, glitter. You'll also need acrylic colors and a roller or a brush to apply the acrylic paint. You will also need an X-Acto knife to trim off the excess dry resin and some tape when pouring to prevent epoxy from running over. For your personal safety, always use masks and gloves. First, you'll apply the acrylic paints and let them dry. Then you can measure and mix the epoxy resin and the hardener in the correct ratios using the measuring cups. I did not record the mixing process, but here are the final results. We used black, blue and white pigments to achieve this look. We also added some gold glitter. When the epoxy is completely dry, you can go ahead and drill the hole. If you're using a hammer drill, make sure to disable the hammer in this function so as not to damage the resin. You can make full use of your geometrical skills to find the center of the clock, or you could just eyeball it like I did here. Just in case you're wondering, the numbers on the clock were also estimated since I did not have the stencil to do the exact placements. For the center hole, there are multiple ways to do it. You can either do it before pouring and allow the resin to go through, or you can do it when the resin is dry. Should you decide to do it after the resin is dry, you should start off small and then gradually increase the hole to avoid cracking the resin. Resin dries to a hard, plasticky feel. Choosing the right bit is essential. Finally, we fit the wall clock mechanism using the fastening nut at the front. Then you can install the wall clock hands and enjoy your beautiful creation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.